Lord Jesus, we need 3 donuts, y'all. Lord Jesus. Oh my God, train be tripping me out. Heidi, foster mom, I see you, Miss Cindy. Miss Nessa. Yay, yay. Miss Heidi coming in clutch. I see you, my Kims are in the house.
Thank you guys for the gift.
Lyra.
Also, can I have one singular battery?
He said, can I have one singular battery? Miss Cindy.
Thank you, Serena. Thank you, Serena. Thank you. Oh, Jenny.
Miss Kim. Look, what are you doing to yourself?
Yeah, speaking of now.
Oh, Jenny. I don't work. That's why I'm. Oh, Jenny. Thank you, Jenny.
Let's go. Oh, my Lord. What the fuck is she doing to herself?
Thank you, Jenny. Oh, I had to took my lip out.
Heidi. Oh, my gosh. Y'all are amazing. I cannot. Georgia Gal. Jada.
But can I go?
Maybe.
That's hilarious. Oh, my God.
Drink.
I don't work. That's why I'm over here.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Okay? If you guys would just give me all your money, okay?
My fucking face hurts. I cannot.
Oh. What? Hold on, let me see what I'm doing.
I cannot.
Oh, no, 37! 37! Hi, Melinda!
Listen, we got Miss Kim, Cindy, Nessa, Heidi, Miss Bond, Roxy, Abby, Christina, Jada. Can y'all tell me what this girl's doing?
Oh, let's see here. I got, Jenny got loose and glow. Dawn got loose and glow. Auntie, all of the attackers got, the time.
I cannot, Michigan girl. No one knows. We just battling the fuck away.
I quit my jobs and I'm gonna become a professional TikTok hater. So I'm number 38 in the ranks. Can you guys help me get to top 10? Okay.
Yep. Yep. Debbie said I'm a TikTok tapper. Tap away, my baby.
I'm trying to get number top 10 in the ranks. That's what I'm trying to do.
I see y'all. I see y'all tapping your face. I can't. Hey. Right. When you take this shit off, do not rip your eyebrows out your face.
I will just beg for money for new ones.
Y'all better screenshot that shit. Goddamn. All right, y'all. Here we go. Times 2. Jesus fucking Christ. Four roses. Oh my God, Heidi, foster mama. I cannot with you. Oh my fucking God, I cannot with you.
4 roses.
Oh, isn't this what you wanted, Nessa?
Oh my darling, train needs your money.
Oh, she said you're too beautiful to cover that face. I love you, Nessa. Bree. I can't help it. This is too funny. This is too funny. Jim Carrey, The Mask. Chris, yes.
Oh my God. Drinking, I'm telling you. Look at his teeth. That's how you see his teeth. And eyeballs.
You're gonna Liz.
Holy Kim, I see you.
No, you know who she looks like is that person that in the scary movie where they had their face all taped up. I'm trying to think.
Chris said, you look like somebody I know. She said, please, I need to get to the top. Lord Jesus, that shit is so funny. I saw it, baby. Y'all can, let me see.
Baby, go ahead.
Oh,
I got
my
red
Lord.
tape.
I am not taping my face up, baby. No, hell no. Listen, we worked hard to get these eyebrows.
And that
Okay?
red tape would rip your whole face off.
It would.
It's duct tape.
I see you, baby. What's up? I can't with her either. She put a whole ass.
What is that? Is that like a goatee?
She put a whole ass cross on her
Is that
fucking head.
goatee, like, tape.
Guys, I'm number 39. I need a galaxy. Oh, sorry. I need a galaxy.
I cannot.
Oh, you know this is gonna read about it. You know this is gonna have to fucking read about it.
Give me down with the roses. Well, I gotta fill my goatee in.
I don't
Thank
know
you,
what
Jenny.
happened, or I don't know when this happened. I don't know
Jenny.
when this happened, okay? But here we are.
Teamwork. Like, yeah, I come in peace. Okay, I come in peace.
Teamwork.
You people need people like me. You need people like me.
Oh yeah, we sure do need people like you. This is insane, y'all. What the fuck?
Tapes. She's on her hands.
Oh, are you gonna be Freddy Krueger? Oh my goodness.
Oh, you lost, baby. She beat your ass on that one.
She fucked me up on that one. Oh my Lord. Right, you need horns, Train.
Okay.
Kimmy, Nessa, Heidi, Missy, Chris, Roxy, Michigan Girl, Miss Cindy, Dina, Amy. I don't know how we got here, but we're here.
Shit.
Thank you. I got this.
We're here.
Shit, somebody missed their road. They were going on.
Oh shit. Hold on, I got you in, Bubbles. It might not have come through. Hold on.
I'll get you, my pretty. And your little dog, too.
It didn't come through, Aunt Bubbles. Kimmy!
Oh,
She
no.
said, Miss Dina said, girl, that tape is expensive. What the fuck you doing?
It's Garrett's. I didn't pay for it. I ain't pay for it. Okay. Let's be serious now. Oh, man. Number 38. A galaxy would put us at 36, 35. Oh. I feel like my lip is sweating.
I just sent it. All right, y'all. I'll have what she's having. Facts.
It's tequila.
Mountain Mama, Oklahoma. Miss Potter, I don't know. This is where we got to. Hey, Karma. I don't know how we got here, but we got here.
Okay, y'all see what Jenny says? I can't get my lips together to flirt.
Can't get my lips together to slurp.
Whatever works. I don't know. This is where we are.
I had like sweat dripping down my chin.
No.
Everybody, welcome in. I don't know how we got here, but
Tell the sweat drop down Missy's balls. Cause all her bitches crawl skip skip.
I did, Miss Kate. Oh my god! Holy shit! Only me. Oh my goodness.
Hey, that's why everybody run from her, because her ass smells like butt crack. I bet you she got butt crack hair. You know how I always tell Jace you got butt crack hair? I bet you she got butt crack hair. She probably got a full Manchu down there.
Oh my goodness.
She's like, roar. This is what it looked like when she opened her legs. Roar. I'm bored because I don't have no job. Thank you guys for helping me pay my bills.
This is insane.
The fuck you
I don't know
looking?
how we got here, but we're here. I'm fucking deceased. What on the Sam Hill? Welcome in, y'all.
Hold on.
Shelly, Miss Sabrina, I see you. I see you, Miss Kimmy. I appreciate you so much, baby.
Now you come with me.
Yo, where's Garrett? Who's Garrett walking that fucking room?
Garrett is off doing his own thing. If he walked in there right now, he'd be like, "What?"
Let me go try to find him. I think he's in our 5-bedroom mobile home.
Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. I cannot wait to see. I cannot. Turn that shit down.
Just think.
I hate hearing my own voice.
That's just deep.
Rah, Sammy.
Garrett.
What the hell are you?
Oh my fucking god.
I had to go on the internet and beg for money.
Garrett, I do not know how we fucking got here, okay? I don't know what happened.
Fucking happened.
It just happened.
Yeah, the dinner's ready. Oh my god. What?
What? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at Garrett. He's like, what the fuck?
I can't.
That's my wife.
Your wife is a fucking nut job.
He said, "Is dinner ready?" And I humped the door, and he's like, "Oh my god, you're not right."
I cannot.
He's building our 5-bedroom mobile home right now, y'all. He's putting it.
Oh, fuck me. I cannot.
My fingers are crisscrossing.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
The fuck you looking at?
I don't know. Bitch, I don't know. Oh, fuck. I'm dead. I can't breathe. I cannot fucking breathe. I cannot fucking breathe.
Come
Holy-
with me, and you'll be in the world of your imagination, where the boys come to see old Pissy and Pedro. Missy really the one that's just in Walmart bags.
I fucking can't.
Fucking goatee's falling off.
You're gonna make me really spit my fucking teeth out on this bitch, and then it's all gonna be on Reddit, and then I'm gonna be embarrassed. Oh my god.
You guys, I need a galaxy to get to the next spot, please.
Fuck me, I cannot. Oh my god, Kimmy, Shelly, football bar. Listen, the whole goddamn chat is the motherfucking MVP. I said I can't. Holy shit. Whoo! Whoo! So right. What's up, Miss Vicky? Oh my goodness. Hey Heather, welcome in everybody.
Somebody just walked in. I was like, what the?
I bet they're walking in like, what the fuck is wrong with this girl? Is she okay today? Do we need to put her, do we need to IVC or what?
I feel like I might need to go take a poo.
And here she comes with the pooping. Okay.
Getting a little hot in here.
Oh my goodness. Hey, Heather. Oh, she said, what are you watching? Cindy, country as fuck. Everybody's coming in like, what is wrong with this girl? You need to make a video like that, bitch. You literally need to make a video like that. Full spiritual, mountain mama. That little song, that song. Right, nothing like Painter's Blue Tape.
Say she needs to take this.
I'm laughing, y'all. I cannot.
Somebody save me.
Yes.
Me from myself.
Absolutely. Yep.
It's the only thing that seems to help. All of this drinking and smoking and stalking, it feels like I'm worthless as hell.
Train. Oh my
If
God. I
best
fucking
friend would
cannot.
just come home so I can lick her asshole, it'd be not more hell. She's a lost cause. Baby, don't waste your time on me.
Oh, you got a best
This
friend.
damage beyond repair. Her heart and her coochie shattered like dreams. She's a
Oh my God, y'all. That's my friend.
lost cause. Baby, don't waste your time on me.
I cannot.
Jenny, the
Oh my
rosa.
God. I'm fucking dead. I can't take it.
Jenny, in the hand art.
You missed season 15, episode 35/2.
This is definitely gonna be recorded. Somebody says, "Well,
I cannot breathe.
Oh, she tired now.
Susie!
thank you guys."
Alyssa! How you doing, baby?
They're saying she's probably telling her to go have another drink. I'm on the liquor. I'm on the liquor.
Shannon, Febby. Listen, Courtney, I don't know how we got here, but we got here.
It smells like adhesive and eyelash flame.
Exactly, and it's getting hot. It's just gonna.
God damn.
Oh,
I got-
bitch, I cannot wait to see you take this off of your face. Bitch, I listen, I cannot wait to see you try to start taking
After Galaxy.
bags. Bitch, let's start trying to take this shit off your face. I bet you it's funnier than you putting it on.
Okay.
Starving Marvin!
Alyssa, I come to suck your blood.
Debbie, it's getting hot in here.
Yes, it's gonna cost money to watch me undress. So if you want to see what is under all of this, it is going to cost you. It's going to cost you $100 million.
Shut the fuck up.
What, Ray? Train said be careful. What? My fingers are stuck.
I'm dead.
This is for the
I'm dead.
homies in the
I fucking love it
Cadillacs.
here.
The firms living in and got no women in the back. For
Mama
the
Mel,
firms.
she would look like Jeepers Creepers.
Who? My friend?
If it was black, you would look like the Jeepers Creepers, dude.
I love Jimmer.
Which I only got one marker. That's a lot.
Oh, here we go. God damn it. Oh, here we go. Oh, Lord. Lord Jesus.
Uh-oh,
Okay, I got you, Debbie.
I think
Make
it's
sure I follow you
dry.
back.
Oh, my marker's dry.
Good. Thank God the marker is dry. We got Starvin Marvin, Miss Cindy. Listen, y'all are all the fucking MVPs of everything.
Peace to everybody. Everybody. Thank you, Jenny. Thank y'all.
Everybody for hanging out, watching this fucking shit show.
Okay, let's see if
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna start taking it off. But first, I'm tied with number 34. Oh damn.
She said, but first,
I need 2
you,
galaxies
baby.
and 2 hand hearts to 33. Send
we got
Allie
this, y'all.
Oh, send Allie to the store. No, Allie's working. Okay, let's just take this off my hand first. Somebody gift. I need more money for tape.
We're 3K away from 20%, which is fucking great. We did that thing today. Y'all doing the damn thing. I see you, Miss Starvin. I see you, Miss Debbie, Miss Teresa. Y'all are amazing. They are Tara, but they have like a chrome on top. That's why they look different.
For every Missy joke in the comment, I'll rip off something. But it has to be funny. It has to be like a your mama joke, but about Missy. Y'all got to get into it.
Oh, that's funny. Toxic. I see you, demon. My toxic. I see you, foster mom. Mountain mama. Good, Stacy. Good, because this is hilarious. I'm glad this turned out to what it turned out to today.
Oh god, it's so hot. Oh, this is stuck on my hair. Oh no. Oh man. Oh.
Hey, Audrey.
You'll do for money.
Right. I see you. Whiskey. All right, y'all, we got, let's see, what is that? A donut and a tiny Donny. Oh, you're good, Stacey. This is hilarious. Right, get it a little bit wet. The sweat is probably Foster Mom, Starvin Marvin, Phoenix.
Here's the, what's the fucking...
Oh my god.
Oh, let's go.
Oh. Look, I'm gonna be a brand new woman underneath all this hair.
Brittany. Everything sounds to y'all. Oh my God, Jerica.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, couch potato, it's really stuck in my hair.
Oh shit. Sonia.
Oh.
Oh shit, she's got a glove too. Nessa. That's what she said. Oh my God, I'm crying. Holy shit.
Oh, there's an eyebrow
Let's go. Phoenix,
Who
I
took some
see
of
you,
my
baby.
eyebrows out?
Audrey. That's why I said Chris talking about put some on your face. Hell no, bitch. Hell no. We ain't putting that shit on my forehead. Hell no.
Go ahead. Your face.
What?
I'm going to reset in a second.
Quit reporting, Lala.
I don't give a fuck. Report all you want. I'm going to come right back.
Man.
I'm going to come right back. I need a reset anyway. I'll be right back, Train. Literally, I'm going to click off and click back on. But hold on. Fuck it. I might as well do it now. I'll be right back. I'll be right back, y'all.
Y'all,
Don't turn your things off because I'm coming right back.
We're tied with 31. 2 hand hearts to 30. To get to 20, 46, and we're at 32. 46. That's like, I don't know. I don't know the math. A lot. Like an interstellar or something. Oh, does that look like a bug in my Sprite? I'm not gonna trust it. Set a goal live? What should I do? Galaxies? I don't know. Let's see here. So I'm number 32. I'm at 28. Top 20 is 46. So that's 18. 18. That's 18 galaxies.